Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, you will learn all about die bestimmten Artikel, the definite articles. Well, in the German language, we have 3 of them. Der is our masculine article. Masculine. Die is our feminine article. Feminine. Das is our neuter article. Let me give you some example for that. Der Mann. The man. You see guys, der Mann, we're talking about a male person. So we're using the masculine article der. Die Frau. The woman. We use our feminine article die. Die Frau, because we're talking about a female person. And here, das Mädchen. Here we take in das because of the ending chen. It makes something look smaller. Mädchen, like small little girl. This is like the first hint on using das as our neuter article. Yeah, well guys, that's the easy way, because now we're talking about humans. A male, female, or here we can see hen as our hint. Unfortunately, it's not always that easy. But don't you worry, in this video I will give you some good hints on how you can decide on taking the right article for the noun. Are you ready? So guys, let's start with our masculine article, der. Let me give you the first hints on when to use this masculine article der. Wochentage, the days of the week. Der Montag, the Monday. Der Freitag, the Friday. Monate, month. Der April, April. Der Juli, July. Tageszeiten, the time of the day. We would say der Morgen. Der Morgen, which is the morning. Der Abend, the evening. But guys, watch out. It is called die Nacht. Die Nacht. Now a little exception on this one. Jahreszeiten, the seasons. Der Sommer, the summer. Der Winter, the winter. So guys, we also use the article der when it comes to Himmelsrichtungen, the directions. Der Norden, the north. Der Westen, the west. We also use it when we talk about the weather. Wetter, weather. We will say der Regen, rain. Der Regen. Der Wind, the wind. But guys, watch out, because we would say die Wolke. Also use der when we talk about Automarken, car brands. Automarken. BMW. Der Mercedes. And we also use der for alcohol. Alcohol. We would say der Wein. The wine. Der Schnaps. Schnaps. But again, a little exemption on this one, and it's a really important one. It is called das Bier. Bier. Das Bier. And now we will have a look at some nouns, at the ending of some nouns, which give you the hint of using der as an article. So guys, these endings of nouns in the German language will help you to know, to realize that you need to use the masculine article der. Let's start. These are our endings. First one, or, from der Motor, the engine. Words ending with ismus. For example, der Rassismus, the racism. Words ending with ing. For example, der Lehrling, the trainee. Words ending with ich and ich. For example, der Käfig, the cage, or der Teppich, the carpet. Words ending with ikke. Der Techniker, the technician. Words ending with ist. For example, der Tourist, the tourist. Der Tourist. Words ending with and, and, and. For example, der Doktorand, the doctoral candidate. Demonstrant, the protester, or der Präsident, the president. And words ending with chauffeur, the chauffeur. So guys, now we are at our feminine article, die. Let's look at some things that will tell us when to use the feminine article die. For example, Zahlen, numbers. All numbers will be used with die. For example, die 2, number 2. Die 5, number 5. But also, die is used for trees and plants, Bäume und Pflanzen. For example, die Eiche, the oak tree. Die Rose, the rose. We also use the article die for Obstsorten, fruits. For example, die Banane, the banana. Die Orange, the orange. But please guys, watch out, because there's one little exemption in this one, because it's called der Apfel. Der Apfel, the apple. Let's have a little look at the endings that help us to know to use the article die. So guys, now we will look at the endings of the nouns that will show us, that will indicate that we need to use the feminine die. The feminine article die. Let's start. Nouns ending with ung. For example, die Rechnung, the bill. Or die Kleidung, clothes you're wearing, Kleidung. Words ending with kite and height. For example, die Freundlichkeit, the friendliness. Or die Freiheit, the freedom. Words ending with Schaft. For example, die Mannschaft, the team. Or die Gesellschaft, the society. Nouns ending with ion. For example, die Religion, the religion. Die Lektion, the lesson. That's what we're doing at the moment. Nouns ending with ik. Die Technik, the technique. But also die Musik, die Musik, the music. Nouns ending with tät. Die Universität, the university. Die Qualität, the quality. Nouns ending with ur. For example, die Kultur, the culture. Nouns ending with ens and ans. For example, die Konferenz, the conference or the meeting. And die Toleranz, tolerance. Nouns ending with age or ade. For example, die Garage, the garage. Die Fassade, the facade of a house, for example. Nouns ending with ei. Very important in Germany. Die Bäckerei, the bakery. It's delicious in Germany. But also die Bücherei, the library. And nouns that are two-silbig, zweisilbig, ending with i. For example, die Tasche, bag. Die Lampe, the light. So guys, let's have a look at our neuter article, das. We use das for Farben, colors. For example, das Blau, blue. Das Rot, the red. But we also use das for Buchstaben. Buchstaben are letters. For example, das A, the A, das B, the B, the C, das C, das D, and so on. You get the idea. But we also use das for Stoffe, like materials. For example, das Holz, the wood, or das Eisen, the iron. We also use the neuter article das when we do the so-called Nominalisierung. That means we turn a verb or adjective into a noun. For example, our verb is laufen, walking. Walking, laufen, turns into das Laufen. We turn a verb into a noun. Das Laufen. Now, let's have a look at some endings that indicate on using the article das. So guys, these endings of the nouns will indicate that you need to use the article das. Let's start. Nouns ending with chen. In the beginning we had this word already. Das Mädchen, the girl. Using chen in the ending of a noun is trying to make it look small and cute. Chen. Another way to make something look small and cute, you will use Lein. For example, das Fräulein. Well, that's an old way of addressing an unmarried young woman. We don't really do that again, but it's a good example on when to use Lein. We could also use Lein for das Kindlein, the small child. Nouns ending with ma. For example, das Thema, the topic, or das Drama, the drama. Nouns ending with ment, das Parlament, the parliament. But guys, watch out, there's a little exemption in this one, because it's called der Moment, the moment. Nouns ending with for example, das Datum, the date, or das Museum, the museum. Nouns ending with tum, das Eigentum, the property or possession. But guys, watch out, there's another exemption in this one, because you would say der Reichtum, the wealth. Der Reichtum. Nouns ending with icht, das Gesicht, the face, das Licht, the light. And nouns ending with ing. That means we took some verbs that are actually from the English language and we put into our German language using das Shopping, for example, or das Training. So guys, I know that was a lot of information, but I hope I helped you a little bit on how to indicate on when to use der, die, or das. So guys, please do me one favor. Whenever you learn a noun in the German language, always learn it with the right article. And whenever you're unsure of which article to use, well, 47% of the nouns use the female die. But, like I said, try to learn the nouns with the right article. I know guys, it has been a lot of information today, but please take your time, read it through, learn it, because next week is going to be all about the articles. I will see how much you've understood of today's lesson by doing a really nice quiz with you. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, because I really did. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Leave a comment down below and hit the like button. Till then guys, bye!